GLS welcomes you. In this session, we are looking at the main aspect of securitization, which is vital from any banker. Now, let's understand the meaning of securitization. Securitization basically is a process of acquisition of large NPA loan or a portfolio of loans by securitization or reconstruction company from a bank or a financial institution on mutually agreed terms and conditions. Understand here, there is always existing NPA and this company is basically trying to acquire that NPA at whatever terms we'll come to know later, or a reconstruction is being permitted. So what are the terms and conditions in this case? That is, the agreed terms and conditions will be like sale or transfer of that transfer price, or with or without recourses or transfer or sale. So generally housing loans, if you take an example, these are acquired under securitization. Now what is the process itself for this securitization? One is the securitization company, it transfers the acquired loans to a special purpose vehicle, what is also known as SPV in common parlance. So the SPV manages all the assets for the purpose of realization of or holds them as investments till maturity. This SPV also issues the consideration of transfer price to the original banker in the form of cash or debenture bonds as mutually agreed. Just to draw a corollary to this, you must have read in newspapers, there is the finance ministry is under consideration forming a bad bank where all such loans could be acquired. So the basic concept is same here. What are the benefits apparently of this securitization? In this process, the banks and these financial institutions are strengthened with a summary procedure for recovery of the secured dues, which have been classified as NPA, and a lot of efforts are required to recover these NPAs, as you know. So the earlier banks or the FIs had to enforce their security through the court, and you can understand how consuming that process is and cumbersome, and it's very typical slow process. So in this case, the ones that assets are transferred at whatever terms, that headache of following up and everything is done away with. Now, Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement and Securities Interest Act, commonly known as SARFAESI, was enacted with effect from 21st June 2002 to look after and take care of such NPAs. Let's check what we learn. In securitization deal, the role of a SPV, that is special purpose vehicle, is to acquire a large non-performing loans, that is NPA, to acquire such loans from a bank or a financial institution. Next, to acquire such a loans for a transfer price with or without resources. Next choice, to manage the acquired loans for the purpose of realization or hold them as investment till maturity. Now the answer is basically D, which is that manage the acquired loans for the purpose of realization, that is into cash, or hold them as investment till maturity and whatever amount is recovered then. Which of the following statements are true in respect to SARFAESI Act? The Act deals with three aspects: enforcement of security interest by secured creditor, banks or financial institution. 2, to allow securitization company or a reconstruction company, that is SCRC, to sanction new loans to the defaulted borrowers. 3, transfer of non-performing asset to securitized company or a reconstruction company, which will then dispose of those assets and realize the proceeds. Next, to provide relief to borrowers under the legal framework of securitization assets. Now, the option is all of above, B only 1 and 4, C only 1 and 3, D none of the above. You need to apply your mind before answering this question with so many choices which could confuse you. So understand the basic concept of the reconstruction, and here the choice is C, that is transfer of non-performing assets to securitized company or a reconstruction company, which will then dispose of those assets and realize the proceeds. So realization of proceeds is absolutely important when we talk about the SARFAESI Act and the purpose behind this. So with this, we end this session, and our next session will be on assignment.